How to turn off the emails from Aliexpress. Now in order to turn off the Aliexpress emails, you just simply need to open your browser and search for Aliexpress in there. Then just simply open the website of aliexpress.com, and after that this homepage will appear. Now, in order to disable the emails, you just simply need to tap into your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that, and after you tap in there, you are going to see a bunch more options. Among them, you need to select the option of settings. From here, just simply pick the settings option, and once you do that, you are going to see a lot more options one more time. Just simply select the option of manage email subscriptions from here, and once you select the option of manage email subscription, you are going to see this page. It is in Chinese for whatever reason. Let me refresh it, and now I have it in English. Now in order to turn off or disable the emails from AliExpress, just simply disable all of these three toggles and it will be disabled. And this is how you can very easily disable emails in your AliExpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe